The objective of this lesson is to use common denominators when solving word problems or simple fraction division equations with divisors larger than the dividend. Asking how much of what I need do I have can help make these types of equations clear. Let's look at a problem where the divisor is larger than the dividend. A serving is 2 cups. How much of a serving is 1/2 of a cup? The model for the serving size is drawn first. Each box represents 1 cup. Next, each cup is partitioned into 2 sections to represent halves. The question asks how much of a serving is 1/2 of a cup. 1/2 of a cup is 1/4 of the serving. The fraction division equation that corresponds to this word problem is 1/2 divided by 2 equals 1/4. According to this model, 4 halves is another way to represent the 2 cups. Using common denominators for the dividend and divisor, the division equation becomes 1/2 divided by 4 halves. When the divisors are the same, the numerators can be divided. So the answer is 1 divided by 4, or 1/4. The size of the serving is more than what was given, so the answer will be less than 1. Let's look at another problem. A serving is 4 cups. How much of a serving is 3/4 of a cup? The model for this problem will begin with 4 cups. Then the cups will each be divided into fourths. We only have 3/4 of a cup. How much of what we need do we have? 3 out of the 16 fourth sections represent what we have. Therefore, the answer is 3/16. We have 3/16 of a serving. Common denominators can also be used to solve this problem. 4 cups divided into fourths equals 16/4. 3/4 divided by 16/4 equals 3/16. When the denominators are the same, the numerators can just be divided. So 3 is divided by 16, which equals 3/16. Let's look at another problem. A serving is 2/3 cups. How much of a serving is 1/6 of a cup? A rectangle is drawn first and then divided into thirds. 2/3 is marked to show the serving size. Because the amount we have is only 1/6 of a cup, the rectangle also needs to be partitioned into sixths. This 1/6 is 1/4 of a serving size. So to answer how much of what I need do I have 1/4 of what I need. 1/6 divided by 2/3 equals 1/4. Common denominators can also be used to solve this problem. 2/3 is equal to 4/6, so the problem becomes 1/6 divided by 4/6. When the denominators are the same, the numerators can just be divided. So 1 divided by 4 equals 1/4. Let's try using common denominators to solve some simple fraction division equations. 2/3 divided by 4 becomes 2/3 divided by 12/3. When the denominators are the same, the numerators can just be divided. So 2 is divided by 12, which becomes 2/12, or 1/6. 3/5 divided by 3 becomes 3/5 divided by 15/5. Since the denominators are the same, the numerators can be divided. So 3 is divided by 15. The answer is 3/15, or 1/5. Our objective in this lesson was to use common denominators when solving word problems or simple fraction division equations with divisors larger than the dividend. We met this objective by drawing models and creating equations with common denominators.